Hello guys, this is Tin Typer Tech channel. I'm your friend Josie.
What I will share with you today is how to configure the cold water tanks used in breweries. Cold water tank is a special container used to cool and store water in breweries. Cold water passes through a plate heat exchanger to cool the wort. The excess heat generated throughout the process is transferred to the water. The water heats up and is stored in a hot water tank, which can be used for next brewing and cleaning. So how can the demand for cold water satisfy the amount of cooled wort? The demand for cold water is about 1.13 to 1.25 times the amount of cooling wort, usually calculated based on the theory of 1.2 times. Let's take 20 tons of saccharified wort as an example. The amount of cold water required for a batch of brewing is 20 times 1.2 is equal to 24 tons. If 2 batches are produced continuously, the interval should be at least 2 hours to 4 hours. Here we take 3 hours as an example. During the continuous brewing process, ice water cools 20 degrees Celsius normal temperature water into 2 to 3 degrees Celsius cold water within 3 hours. Based on this time, calculate the required replacement efficiency and select the appropriate equipment. When actually making a cold water tank, its capacity is generally increased based on calculations and in combination with unclear factors encountered in actual production. Usually the volume of the cold water tank is configured to 2 to 3 times the wort cooling capacity. That is to say, the amount of cold water required for 20 tons of saccharified wort is about 48 tons. When the brewing batch is small, 1.5 times can also meet the demand. Therefore, the size and configuration of the cold water tank must meet the needs of the process.
Okay guys, the above information is all about this video. I hope this video is informative and helpful to you. If you like this video, please just give a like and also a thumb up to us. Let's see you next time. Bye.